Today we're gonna be camping with $50 each, out in the woods for 24 hours. Here's the catch. We both have $50 each. We're buying for the other person at random thrift stores. I'm buying his clothes, his sleeping supplies, his camping supplies, everything. We're working together, but we're not allowed to communicate on what we're gonna buy. So we could have 1 tent, 2 tents, 0 tents, and $5 at Walmart to get food. Now we're going in. This is literally perfect. Okay, I'll show you your outfit.
Oh yeah, that's what we're doing.
First piece. This is the first thing.
Actually, that's actually kind of cool shirt.
It's flipped, but pants first.
Oh no, you got me a suit. You get me a suit? These are like dress pants.
Oh shoot! Dang, you gotta stand in the camera shot.
Where'd you find the belt?
Goodwill.
Alright.
Hey, those pants fit good though.
Yeah, they do. They actually do. They're decent length. Kind of liking the fit right now.
Here you go. I had to cut it. I made some modifications. You're Walter White. Dude, I'll have to do the say my name. But look this way and do it.
Oh, like.
Say my name.
Start with your shirt. Alright. I'm gonna find pants.
Baseball pants. Oh shoot, bro.
The next thing, I was just worried you might get cold, so this
Oh shoot.
You don't really have to wear this right now, but I was just like, I was worried you're gonna get cold.
Alright, what, this?
You don't have to put that on. Just don't put that on yet. Because this is what you should put on first. And then I got you a hat.
No way. Dang, bro. Okay, we're gonna put the camera in the bag because we're gonna walk for a while, so. Bye, guys. Alright. Okay. Well, you can see we're like a lot higher. Let's go keep looking. Like, this isn't bad. Bro, right here we could sit on this tree.
So I got you.
Sure. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Disclaimer. He spent all of his money at the thrift stores. I gave myself the duty of buying food, so I put $10 towards food. Okay, so he got me a camping chair. I already saw the camping chair because it didn't fit in the bin, but... Okay.
Next thing, I got you a sleeping bag.
Okay.
I got you this
Raw
blanket,
reaction.
which is actually kind of fuzzy.
Oh, shoot, that's pretty nice.
See, that keep you warm.
Yeah, okay.
So...
That's everything? Okay, I was on food duty, so I got a gallon of water.
That's good.
Close your eyes, but face me, and reach out and try to feel.
Whoa. That's a lot of cheese.
A bunch of craft singles. I've also gotten 2 canned.
Tomato soup.
No, something new this time.
Oh, lasagna.
And mac and cheese.
That'll be pretty good.
I got you a pillow. Look. It smells weird. No, but I washed it. Oh, but I got you a pillow.
Nice. That's actually pretty smart. I did not get you a pillow.
I think this is where the smell's coming from. Everything bagel bread.
Dang, that
$1.47. Sleeping bag.
Nice.
And
Oh.
got you this.
Whoa, that's a switch up. Dang, where'd you find a tarp?
$1.
How'd you find that?
Oh no. One must have fallen out.
Another spoon?
Yeah.
It's okay. That didn't really get you anything.
No, that's cool.
So this is the site. We're thinking we're gonna throw up some bags, laying them down, a little campfire. We have a decent view. Maybe we'll catch sunrise.
Our main focus right now is gonna be to get a campfire up because the bugs are still pretty crazy.
Dude, your outfit almost makes like a Western, like. Three.
3:06. We'll probably leave at like 9.
Oh my God.
Oh, we got a whole day ahead of us.
That's a long time.
Let's get a fire going.
Already?
Campfire is like good right here, wouldn't you say?
You think?
And then tents right here.
Oh.
It's a lot you gotta clear. Yeah, but does it feel less buggy right here?
It's gonna be buggy everywhere.
Yeah, true, they are following us. You feel like there's more of a breeze over here? It just died down.
It was blowing over there. I get it, it's a little open.
Look at this little spot. You know what I'm saying?
Nice, like.
Oh yeah, it feels better over here already. Spray paint looks yellow. Oh, the spray paint. We cheated a little bit, and I bought these bug tents because we've only made 2 videos. One we stayed 3 hours. One we stayed until we couldn't no more, which was like it was like 19 degrees, and it was, watch the last video. It was 19 degrees, and we stayed until like midnight or something. This sucks. So we're going home.
Really?
Dancing in the moonlight. We want to spend the night this time. We got to ease into this kind of stuff because you watch any of our videos, you'll know we don't have any really survival instincts. So I bought these bug tents that just there's no rain cover on them. So if it rained, we'd be screwed. But it just so that we don't get bugs all over us.
Like wet, but also dry.
No thrift stores are gonna sell a lighter with lighter fluid.
Contain this heat. Small sticks, medium sticks, big sticks, dry sticks. Nice. Yeah,
But we're just letting these heat up. Use Kraft singles and everything bagel loaf bread.
that's really good.
We're gonna go see the telephone pole now, so.
Oh, what?
That's weird.
It's like a tree. Just scratched up. Like, what would scratch that up?
No, yeah, so this chair is busted, but we only have one chair, and I remember last time we didn't have a chair at all. That was almost better than only having one.
Oh, we should probably fix that. That one's wet. This log is literally wet. It's on fire. That's gonna go.
Oh God! It's on your shirt. No, I just burned it. No! Oh! Help me!
It's no, I liked this.
It already put a hole in it.
Shirt was actually sick, bro. Why did it get so eerie all of a sudden?
I don't know.
Like, look around.
Is it foggy?
It felt like it just got super foggy.
Anyone who's been out here before and survived it, you know that the nature really gets to you. So it's more of a mental game. But those of you that have survived will know. Anyways, we're about to go to bed. Yo, show your face. The next clip you're gonna see is either gonna be us in the car on the way home or in the morning. So we will see you guys.
What up? And everything's like soaked. We slept through the night the whole time. It did rain last night, but the tarp kind of covered us up, but my nice little polo's soaked. If you guys are watching this, it means that we spent the night. So moving forward, this is like a new kind of a bar we have to set every time. So hopefully we don't skimp out and go home early anymore. But now that we've actually gotten comfortable enough to spend the night, this is allowing room for more improvement and other aspects of the videos. So thank you for watching.